In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts to the chart of accounts by importing a spreadsheet into QuickBooks Online. This process is an efficient way to manage your finances, especially if you have multiple accounts to handle. By importing a spreadsheet, you save time and reduce the potential for errors that may arise from manual entry. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Settings menu in QuickBooks Online. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon there. This icon opens up a variety of settings options, and for our task today, we're going to focus on the chart of accounts. A chart of accounts is essentially an organized list of all the accounts in your business's general ledger, a very important tool for keeping track of your financial activities. Once you have the settings menu open, go ahead and select Chart of Accounts. This selection will take you to the interface where you can view and manage your current accounts. Now, we want to add new accounts using our spreadsheet. So the next step is to import data. Find and select the option that says Import Data. This will prompt you to the next stage. Now that you're in the Import Data section, you want to specify what you're importing. So, select Chart of Accounts from the list of import options. This step ensures that QuickBooks is set up to receive your account's data accurately. The next task is to attach your spreadsheet containing the list of accounts you want to add. Locate the spreadsheet on your computer and attach it by following the prompts. Make sure your spreadsheet is neatly organized. Typically, it should include all necessary fields such as account name, type, and detail type, which QuickBooks will need to set up your accounts. Once your spreadsheet is attached, proceed by selecting Next. At this point, you'll be presented with a window where you need to map the fields in your spreadsheet with the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. Field mapping ensures that all your data is correctly categorized in QuickBooks. For instance, if your spreadsheet has a column labeled Account Name, map this to the Name field in QuickBooks. Do a thorough check to ensure everything aligns perfectly, as this will prevent errors once the import is complete. Before you finish, you have an opportunity to review your mapped fields and make any necessary final changes. Check for any inconsistencies or missing data. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good, press the Import button to initiate the data transfer. QuickBooks will process the information and add the accounts from your spreadsheet into your chart of accounts. And that's all there is to it. Congratulations on importing your accounts efficiently. This method not only saves time, but also keeps your accounting organized and up to date. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stick around for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.